7. So I got my car running again. If you guys follow my Instagram, Big Veil Lithium, you'll see that I have been very busy just with the car in general. I had to replace the valve cover gasket because I had drove out the other day to charge up my batteries. I get around the corner and I'm talking about smoke coming from my hood like crazy. I thought it was my alternator. I thought I burnt it up, or did I connect something back here wrong? Did I do something wrong? Because we're all human. No matter how many times you do this, no matter how knowledgeable you are, mistakes can happen. So I always double, triple check everything before you decide to put fuses in and before you decide to hook up the ground wires. You know, just before you decide to take it to that next step. I always want to double and triple check everything. Right now, I got splitter madness going on. Waiting on my cockbox. Will be coming in the mail. Everything up under here is pretty solid. All 3 amps are game matched, adjusted proper. Oh, lordy lord. What do we have here? Alright, so yeah, they are playing. My loading wall is quite janky. Probably just keep one big port right here because I don't like the slot, cause I like to see, but this right here, the motor and the basket, I believe will obstruct, you know, airflow or just mess with the sound. So we'll see. It's all trial and error right now.
These platinum hits, so when we make it, just show love.
Love to ride. We didn't care what we did. Time was nothing to us. We were just kids. Yeah. Original day.
It's definitely different. I can't describe it. I still got some tuning to do, y'all. Definitely some tuning. Let's play a different song. We got some breaking in to do here. Coils feel good. I'm just checking them. Yep, all the coils feel good. You know, whenever you get to going like that, your first time around, of course, it's just always safe to just check everything, monitor everything. You know, all the amps is looking good back here. Okay, another song.